Good morning, my dear friend, ladies and gentlemen. Today, topic is that due to Corona, people have left the job and gone back to their native place, or even in native place they left the job, and companies either they are not able to pay the salary. Under this financial crunch position, the situation is going beyond to the control, not only the employee but employer also. Because when corona has created a situation, very tough situation, that even as on today you can make it out that more than 60,000 per day there is the corona positive people are cropping up all over the India. What will be the scenario? More especially when you talk about the Maharashtra and Bombay, Bombay is more sensitive. Bombay is having more problematic area. Almost full Bombay is converted into the problematic area. In such a circumstances, companies are closed, not running the operation, and people left and went back to their native place. Now, situation is that why this situation is arising? It's because government started unlocking situation, unlocking also, but in this they are giving the conditional authority that if you can work on the 33% of the your employee, then only it is the permission is given to run the your business. And then top of that, lot of restrictions are there. They should put the mask, they should put the face cover, they should have the PPE, they should have the what kind of the shoe, and if and a lot of time you have to go for the this so many treatment you have to do in the organization, which becomes very costly and ineffective. Cost of product is going high and high. Now where 100 people used to do that production or that services operation, now they out of 100 33 will be doing. Now you can understand that neither work is getting fully completed, nor it is economical viable. Under these circumstances, now all the employers are looking that from where we can cut the cost. We at the Natus Management Consultancy LLP, Dr. Satish Srivastava and my team is well equipped with this kind of the solution. My profile is from last 30 years I had been in the HR department. I have exercised this kind of the situation when we were having the happy hours. I can give you the good manpower selection system, scientific recruitment selection system, and develop the JD such a way that right man for right task is being appointed. This is the very peculiar problem, that very hanky-panky approach is there in the recruitment. Substandard people are being appointed, and second quality persons are being appointed. Right man is not getting this kind of the phobia is there, and because of the less patience of the employer, there is the entry of wrong people also in the business. These people are giving less productivity and increasing the cost of the production. These people, if you make the efficiency survey, they are giving, they are less efficient, less proficient, and they are not able to day to day goal and target. In such a circumstances, already cost of the production, cost of the operation is high, and if this situation is also occurring in the organization, think what will be the position. It will aid on to the incurring cost. My dear friend, employer also is fed up, and a question, big question is there, that from where I should bring the money. Bringing the money somewhere, somehow, if any region, maybe I'm talking 10% people, if they are having any kind of the source from the bank institution, from the government schemes, from the like MSME sectors support and business promotion, then that is also very ineffective to enhance the cost and reach to the capacity of the production, capacity of the operation. So in such circumstances, it is very challengeful time that how to survive in the business, how to afford the material cost, how to in how to get the labor charges paid, how to get the salary of the employees paid, how to create and how to meet other kind of the electricity expenditure, because it comes lakhs and lakhs rupees, and that is important at this point of time when the COVID-19 is very much disturbing to the whole industrial society and whole manpower across the pan India. My dear friend, what I mean to say that our expertise can come to you and can study month, 2 month, 3 month, can study as a silent worker, as a silent supporter, without let other people know that what for we are working. We can understand the process. Where process cut is required, we suggest you the process cut, and we divert the process and tag with the other process, so work is not suffering. If re-engineering is required in the total organization, then we do the re-engineering also, so that revamping and re-engineering if we are doing, then what was the model during the happy hours business model, that can be twisted to the extent that production will not suffer, but cost will be minimized, cost will be reduced. In our coming back, in our HR, the recruitment mega drive is the very important and very costly. Either you are directly you are recruiting the person, or through vendor you are recruiting, but it is the costly affair. Now going back to training today, it has become very costly. Sometimes it is seen that employers are not able to afford. So what to do? How to manage the production? How to manage the operation? How to manage the manufacturing? How to manage the bread and butter to the employee? How to reach to the profit of the company? I believe that let us forget the profit. At par to cost, we are not able to meet. Cost is high and profit going down. There is the gap. And this gap can be bridged inducting money from the other sources. And when you are running the company, now foreign direct investment, foreign bank support, foreign market support are also paralyzed, because if you see few countries like America, France, Japan, China and other countries, they are also paralyzed. So there is no question that somebody will come and help us. You have to help yourself. You have to find out that how to survive in the business. Here we are the Natus Management Consultancy to give all the solution of your such question, and we can reduce the cost from all the angle. Please accept my services, and when you feel comfortable, please call me on my number which is available with my video. Thank you very much.